Hello guys, in this video we're going to be doing some coding now. Because this is my first coding video, we're gonna do this video easy, and as we progress it's gonna get a bit harder. But remember to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button if you feel like it. Remember, you can always unsubscribe later if you want to. Hey guys, so I know Scratchy Junior is for year 4. So listen, I don't know much about what level everyone's gonna be in, but I'm saying for kids who don't know code very well, this video will be for you. So this app you can get on the iOS. I don't know if you can get it on a computer, but anyway, let's jump into the video. Now, first thing you want to do is you want to make your character. Now, you have all of these options. Could really go on forever. And let's say you really liked this one. High-tech. So what if you're like, hey, I don't really like the color light blue, but I do like the color black. Or maybe or you want to change stuff or whatever. But for now, I actually like the light blue, so I'm going to keep it like that for now. But you can also do, I don't know if you can, but I think, you can do a little bubble and then do a, I can't draw, but I can do some good coding. Anyway, it's a bit of a light blue. And if you want to delete it, all you got to do is you need to get on the rubber, which is, that's not rubber, oh guys. Okay, this is my I did want something. I wanted it to get rid of it, but if I go back, you see here what I did here is I have my character. Now this is what you could do, because what you could do here is, if I imagine, now you can also have a background. You can also make your own. See? Now, obviously, maybe you want just one color as a background. Or maybe, I'm not very creative, maybe I'm not the best at it. Then, here you go. You could be, now, I'm not sure, but I don't think there's a way, actually. First, let me set up this back thing, because I have a nice idea. This is going to be our alien here. And now, basically, let's begin, really. So if you want here, you wanted to click the cat or Tom or whatever you want to name it. And let's start easy. You want to walk forward once. You just got to drag it with your finger to here. And then you can always go on here and delete that and add, I don't know, 45. This is probably not good. I'm going to go for 5, really. And if you want to look at your work after you finished it, you can always just press, wrong button. And what you can always do is you can, but before you do this or anything like that, you gotta have this. Or it could be, so this is what it's now. Play that. See? There we go, easy. But if you just want it to go straight away, it's gonna, then what you can do is you can simply just press start. Like that. I have no idea what this one is, but I'm going to try them all. Some of these I haven't done before, so yeah. Same thing, I guess. But what I want is I'm going to be doing only tapping because it's going to make a bit more of a easier thing to do. So my character now goes 1. So if I know that was 5, let's try 10. And then go. Okay, let's try 12. Maybe that'll do that. Maybe that'll be better. Tap. Okay, 12. Maybe let's try 15. So next, guys, I think let's try the big one, 19. Might go too far on this one. Let's go. Let's make him go 21. I think that'll be perfect. It's 2021. Hey. Okay, maybe that was too far. Maybe it's 20. Oh, so I'm deleting it. Okay. It's across the world and perfect. Now we can give it a bit more action. Maybe we can make him jump 5 times. Let's go. So after he does this, what? I remember this. Yeah, because you're going to get it all right if you want him to jump. You only want him to jump a bit, which is why I'm actually going to move my character. Now, this is when you get deleting. Actually, I don't want this now. So I'm going to hold it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it down, and it's shaking like that, and I'm going to press X. And now I just have my friend Cat. So he's going to be on the moon, yeah? Actually, maybe what I'll do is... I might add a space helmet. I might make more decorative. I don't know. But you guys can do whatever you want. There's tons of backgrounds and tons of things like that. If we get here, let's try here. Maybe when it jumps, it doesn't jump too high. Oh, 10. Let's try 2. 2 might be a nice one. Okay, so he walks across the planet, jumps, and then, this is good. Now, if you want to actually make actual physics, you just go do 2 down or 2 the opposites. Check this out now. He's exploring, and he found Earth, and he's jumping around. See, that looks like he's actually jumping. Pretty cool, right? But another thing we can do if we want to do something a bit more interesting is maybe after that you can say hi. You could say I found my favorite planet. Place, sorry guys. I found my favorite place. Then you could do again. It is the moon. So let's try that out now. Go. So he's exploring, checking if it's the moon. He's like, yay! I found my favorite place. The moon. And that's why it will be a good way of coding, because it's just really simple, really. Now some of you it might be hard, but it's not too hard. Now maybe this is fun. Look, I can do this and check this out now. This is like the shrinking one I was going to talk about later. I found my favorite place. It is the moon. Then, do you see that? idiots. Now, because this is the... Give me a minute. Yeah, that messed up, didn't it? Basically, I found my favorite thing on the moon. Because this wouldn't work, because now what you could do is so that he's small. Then let's make him small. Let's make him 22. Let's see what happens. Is he gonna get super tiny? Let's find out. See, like that. Now, you can make your own Ant-Man if you wanted to. And then you could say something like, where is it? You could say, so you could say, oh no, the moon makes me small. And then what we can do is we start now back to normal size. We go here. He's exploring. He's jumping in the air. I found my favourite place. I really need to read this up to you guys now, don't I? That's good. Now, this is when it gets a bit more fun. We can make our own thing. Okay, it says character, but we can make our own thing. Now, I think you guys heard, but I'm not very good at drawing, aren't I? I don't think I can draw very well. So, I'm going to draw... Okay, that's really bad. Oh, no. But that I'll do. You know what? That I will not do. Why did it delete? But I have no idea. Okay, I'm here. Yeah, but anyway. And then I'll just have a really... Okay, that moves stuff around. Let's get that back to normal. And then do a big one here. And then let's do a... This is supposed to be like a bottle for cure or something. Let's fill it in with this blue potion. Now you guys could spend way more time. Now you could make everything completely customized of your own. And I don't really have a problem with it. I really don't. But I enjoy the coding more than the drawing. But if you guys like it more, yeah, well, here's me to judge. I'll add some turquoise. Oh, so that's potion. No. Good. That'll do. And now, because he's so tiny, right? And now this is this potion. So what we can do is just put him here. So he's gonna show him. So first it's gonna disappear for the whole video for a while actually, until we tap him. So when we tap him, he's gonna, yeah, we're gonna tap that potion. He's invisible, and then we're gonna tap him again, and he's gonna become visible so people can see it. And then, see, it's gonna go down a couple. Let's say 5. Let's do it. Okay. So first we gotta do this guy's thing, you know. Now, I think this might work. Now, it's all about making small adjustments, really, coding. And then this comes in, and then he goes, okay, so a bit more 5, a bit more than 5. Let's go 6. Actually, let's go 8. Yeah, 8 should do the job. I should just do it actually. Okay, 8's not enough. Let's try 10. 10 should be perfect. It's all about experimenting with coding. So, yeah, keep that in mind. So that's invisible. Yeah, I did it wrong. But okay, wait. Let's try again. Go. Press hit. It follows the code. So basically now what I gotta do is every single time I gotta tap it to reappear, and then tap it. This might work now. Let's try. You know what? I mean, this is why I struggle with. This is why even I'm learning things. I wonder what this does. I mean, I'm experimenting as well. Let's see if we get here. And let's go. Yeah, probably does nothing, but it's like this potion. This is why I'm gonna put this potion on top of the moon. On top of the moon, yeah. Yeah, that'll be good. Or yeah, that should be nice. Yeah, I like that. Okay. So it's gonna be like you can like call there like help me, and then this potion is gonna come down, and he's gonna drink it, and then we're gonna make it disappear, and then he's gonna go back, but he's gonna go back to normal size. Easy peasy. Okay, let's go. Okay, not easy peasy. I don't know how many minutes I'm on. I'm like 4 minutes in probably. Anyway, let's get working. So when we tap in, the whole sequence is gonna happen. Down 11. That'll be fine. Okay. Now after that, it's gonna go. Try that. Go. So it comes down, and then it goes this way. Let's make it 6. I want to make it to be 7 actually. I mean, I like to try it out. So it comes down. Okay, that's perfect. And then after that, it disappears because he's drank it. Let's go this way. And drinks it, and then he's gonna go back to normal size. Okay, let's try out one more time. 3, 2, 1, action. Let's go. So he's talking, yeah. I mean, I don't want to cut it out because I really need to show all the steps, don't I? I know, the moon makes me small, and then comes in. Oh, I was too late. Okay, because I think it's right. I was too late. Get my hand right. My fingers isn't hovering over the bottle. You see that sequence? It doesn't look too hard, but now go. Yes! Nice, we got it working, finally. And then, after he's big, we're going to say, yay, I am back to Yay! I'm back to normal size. Now you can actually do something like this. And if you really want to have a big screen of it, you can do it all. But yeah, that's my coding lesson for today. Hey guys, back with here. I also just want to show you my house in bigger screen, a bit easier. Let's go. Okay, now go, 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 go. Give the potion, give the potion. Yay, I'm back to normal size. Hooray! See, short, it looked easy, but it's not so easy when you start out. Maybe some people find it easy. I don't find it easy peasy, but anyway, guys, hope you enjoy the video. Bye.